Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here with my Dr. Fiance by the pool and the Burj Khalifa at our house. Can't see it, but we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, and I will look at the total market cap of all cryptos. Also, now that I've bought back into the markets quite strongly, I've been buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Uniswap, FXS, TON. Those are the main ones, the main cryptos, and I've been buying Tesla, Facebook, Google, TSM. Those are the main ones. So now what I'm going to do, because I've entered back in the market a lot back in December, and I've entered back with a lot of my capital. Now I need to set alerts where I think I should sell those assets. So now that I've bought the bottom of the market, my goal is to set alerts where I think it's going to be, where the biggest rejection is going to be. And I'm going to show you that in this video as well if we have enough time, where I would set the alerts to alert me to start selling those positions. Why? Because I like to sell near the tops and buy near the bottoms. If you've been following my videos, I sold November 11th, the day of the top, 2021 on crypto, on Bitcoin, the literal day of the top. And why that's powerful, you compound. When you sell towards the top and then you buy towards the bottom and then you sell towards your top, you compound your money. Instead of you make hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in the bull market and then you lose it all in the bear market, then you make it again in the bull market. I like to make it, sell it, take those profits. Then when it comes down, you can even short it and then buy it down here and make the profits back, compounding the gains. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to... There's also something important I want to show you on the hourly. Do you see this yellow box, these two yellow boxes? You can see they have a similar fractal. There's a fractal playing out here on Bitcoin. It touched exactly this white line that I talked about in yesterday's morning video. I exactly predicted that it'll come down to that white line. Now, if that fractal plays out, we're going to have a pump back to the top of this channel. I was waiting for 24,652, but yesterday there was a lot of Binance FUD, and the price barely moved. Some U.S. government, American government coming down hard on crypto. It's the new China FUD. But this looks very bullish to me. You can see here, it just looks like a very bullish formation. Bull flag, we've got a bullish broadening wedge. RSI is oversold. It looks very bullish to me. RSI has reset while the price has stayed even. Also bullish. So I'd be going long here actually on Bitcoin, especially with this fractal. If this fractal plays out, I would open a long here. I'm going to set where I would open a trade on Bitcoin. So I would set a long from here. I would open it at this support, stop loss just underneath this support, and take profit at the breakout of this bullish broadening wedge. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. 24,652 is a very strong support, and that's where you can open a much bigger trade if you want. But where I would open a trade here is this trade here. It's risking $285 to make $5,448 without leverage. Where else can you risk $285 to make $5,448? That's per Bitcoin, but you put your stop loss, so it only risks $285. With 10x leverage, that would be $54,000 of profits. With 20x leverage, that's $108,000 of profits. The trade opens at 26,596. 26,596, so about $300 from here. Stop loss at 26,311 and take profit at 32,000, a 19 risk to reward ratio trade. And this is the trade that I would open on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. I'm going to also share this in the Telegram group as well. The Telegram is in the description. I'm going to show you the trades that I have open now on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're going to see me do, if you want to trade in the same way, under the video, you can go down below in the description of this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. You have to use that link and you get a $30,000 US dollar bonus when you use that link to sign up to Bybit. That's the main exchange I use for trading. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, if you want to learn what cryptos are and how to do technical analysis, take the crypto master course. More than 7,000 students. You also get all the indicators and how to set up your charts the way you're seeing me set them up. And you can join the free Telegram alerts group. There's almost 8,000 of you that are talking and trading all together. The links are all in the description of this video. Once you sign up to this link on Bybit, then it'll open an account like this. And you can see here, I've got a Bitcoin trade open, 181% in the profits, $13,555 in the profits. It's 2.98 Bitcoin. I've also got an order to add more. I'm going to add an order to add more Bitcoin to this trade actually. I'm going to add more to this Bitcoin trade at that support that very strong support. Because I'm already in a big trade, I'm going to add more at 24,652. So I'm going to add another 2 Bitcoin at 24,652. I'm going to add 2 more Bitcoin. Confirm. 2. So it's going to open at 24,652. If it pulls back that much, it's going to add 2 more Bitcoin. Actually, let's do 3 Bitcoin. Open long. That will be $24,000 at 24,652. Adding 3 more Bitcoin, it will be adding $73,000, almost $74,000 to the trade, and it's using $8,300 of margin. Actually, that will make the trade too big. It'll become like 7. It'll become 6 Bitcoin. Let's do 2 more Bitcoin at that price at 24,652. Then we'll add 5,500 to this trade. Confirm, and that order is now set. So if Bitcoin comes down to 24,652, it will add 2 more trade to my 3 Bitcoin trade. So it'll become a 5 Bitcoin trade. And in this account, I have $242,000, almost $243,000 in here. I've got 3.84 Bitcoin spot, so I actually own that Bitcoin, $103,000 worth. I've got 12 million MCRT, $40,000 worth. I've got $21,000 worth of TON. I've got $19,000 of FXS. I've got 8,700 of USDT, 4,300 of Uni, and about 1 Ethereum. That's what I'm holding in this account, which is beautiful. That's where I'm going to set the trades. So I will add more to my big trade at this support at 24,652, because this is the main area of support. You can see it when you zoom out. You can see why this is a main area of support. It goes back quite a while. When we go into the daily, you can see these 2 areas. These were double tops before, but now it's a very big area of support for Bitcoin. So that's where I'll add more to the trade. And for the short-term trade, this is where I would open a long on Bitcoin. Again at 26,596, stop loss 26,311, take profit 332, risking 285 to make 5,448. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos to tell us what that's telling us as well. Just above $1 trillion market cap. We're at the top of this broadening wedge. Wow, if you saw this creation of this broadening wedge, we bounced from here all the way to the top of this broadening wedge. And now we got rejected, which is not so nice. But we have a very strong support here at the $1 trillion mark now. The supports are growing. The longer a price stays at a certain area, the stronger the support goes. So now we have a lot of support on 1 trillion. But this looks like a bull flag to me as well. This formation on Bitcoin, on the total market of all cryptocurrencies, this one looks like a giant bull flag. And if that plays out, that will take us to around this distance here. The target would be 1.38 trillion, about half of the $3 trillion peak that we had. So it does look, and when we zoom out here, it's very good news actually for all of crypto. This looks like a giant inverse head and shoulders. And if this breaks the neckline, then we have even more distance. If that breaks the neckline, it will go crazy. It will move the distance of the head. Actually, it could even move this distance, taking us to 1.6 trillion, which also lines up with this very big resistance that was back here in February 2022, which is beautiful. So it looks very good for the total crypto markets. Again, I'm trading on Bybit. Under the video down below, signing up to Bybit. That's what I think is happening to Bitcoin and the markets. And again, everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. This is what I think is going to happen to the markets. You have to make your own decisions. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Make sure you consult your brokers, your financial professionals, etc. This is what I think is going to happen and not financial advice. Have an amazing day. This is James Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.